morning everyone. Last lecture we have started chapter number 4, but it is omitted chapter. So today we will start our new chapter. No need to study 4th chapter because it will not include in your exam or in your periodic test. So today we will start our chapter number 5, powers and exponents. See what is given here. Powers means 7 raised to the power 2, it is the power of 2. 9 raised to the power 3, it means power of 9 is 3. Okay. See, look at the products listed below on page number 66. 7 raised to the power 2, it means how you have to write here, 7 into 7 is equal to 49. 9 raised to the power 3 means 9 into 9 into 9. Multiply it, 9 9s are 81, 81 multiplied by 9, 729. Okay. In this way you have to multiply the numbers by power. According to the power you have to multiply it. Now see what is the power given here. In this way you have to multiply the numbers. See, a to the power 5, it means how many times you have to multiply a by a into a into a into a into a. It means you have to multiply a by 5 times. See why? Because power of a is 5. See now example number first we will solve directly. See if example is 2 by 3 to the power 4. It means 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. It is, this power is given on whole by 3 also. Of 3 also this power it is divided by 3 into 3 into 3 into 3. What is the answer you got here? Multiply 2 to the 4, 4 to the 8, 8 to the 16, 3 to the 9, 9 to the 27, 27 multiplied by 3, 81. So what is the answer you got here? 16 by 81. Now see example number 3, minus 2 by 3 to the power 3. How you can multiply it? Minus, you have to remind here it is minus or plus. If it is negative you have to put here negative sign. If it is positive sign you don't need to put any sign here. So 2 into minus 2 divide by 3. Here no sign is given here, so multiply simply. See minus 2 into minus 2, that is plus 4. Plus 4 into minus 2 means minus 8. Divide by 3 is 9, 9 is 27. It is your answer. See one formula is given here. If negative number raised to the power even number, it means it will be positive value. If negative number raised to the power odd number, it means it will be negative value. Okay. This formula you have to remember here. See, let us start some exercise questions. Write the following in exponential form. How you can write square of 3? Square of 3. It means 3 to the power 2. It is the 3 square. Okay. Cube of, see, square means what? Square means in power you have to put 2. If they are asking about cube, cube means in power you have to put 3. Cube of 51 is equal to 51. 5 raised to the power 8. Five raised to the power 8. Product of 2 cubed and 3 squared. Product of 2 cubed and 3 square. See here, first of all write 2 cube means 3 square means, and their product means you have to multiply here. 5 13 to the power of 9. 13 to the power of 9 means 13 to the power of 9. 4 raised to 45. Raised to 45. Okay, question number 2. Find the value of the following means 3 raised to the power 4 means how you can write here 3 into 3 into 3 into 3. 4 it is given here on power 4 it is given, then you have to multiply it by 4 times. 3 3s are 9, 9 3s are 27, 27 3s are 81. It is your answer. See B, 11 is 11 raised to power 2 means 11 into 11. It is 121. C, minus 3 whole cube means minus 3 into minus 3 into minus 3 means 3 into 3 9. It will be positive because minus into minus is equal to plus. Now 9 multiplied by minus 3 minus 27. D, minus 7 cube minus 7 into minus 7 into minus 7 is equal to 7 7s are 49 positive because minus minus plus 49 multiplied by 7 343. It will be negative because third digit is negative. Now see, all questions are similar here. E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L. This is your homework. Fill in the boxes with appropriate answer. See here A, B, C, D, base, exponent, expanded form, and value. See, this one you have to write in your notebook. A, B, C, D. First of all, 3 to the power 4, 5 to the power 3, 2 to the power 6, 4 to the power 2. Now see how to find. Sorry, this is not. 3 to the power 4 A, B, 5 to the power 3, 2 to the power 6 and 4 to the power 4 square. C, D. What is the base given here? 3. What is the exponent given here? 4. What is the expanded form of this? 3 into 3 into 3 into 3. Why we have written here? Because 3 to the power 4 is given here. 3 3s are 9, 9 3s are 27, 27 3s are 81. Now see 5 base, 3 exponent, 5 into 5 into 5 because 5 to the power 3 is given here. So 5 5s are 25, 25 5s are 125. Base is 2, exponent is 6, 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into. Now 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 8 2s are 16, 16 2s are 32, 32 2s are 64. Okay. Now see 4, 2, 4 into 4, 16. Okay. Now see question number 4. Find the value of the following. 3 by 4 to the power 3 is equal to, this power is given in whole, it means 3 into 3 into 3 divided by 4 into 4 into 4. Now see, 3 3s are 9, 9 3s are 27, 4 4s are 16, 16 4s are 64. See question number B. Minus 2 by 5 to the power 5 means it is minus 2 into 2 into minus 2 into minus 2 into minus 2 divide by 5 into 5 into 5 into 5 into 5. It means 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 8 2s are 16, 16 2s are 32 means minus 32 divided by 5 5s are 25, 25 5s are 125, 125 5s are 625, 625 multiplied by 5, 5 5s are 25, remainder 2, 5 2s are 10, 10 plus 2, 12, remainder 1, 6 5s are 30, 30 plus 1, 31, 3, 1, 2, 5 is the answer. See, minus 5 by 8, 4. Now see, minus 5 multiplied by minus 5, minus 5, minus 5. 8, 8, 8, 8. Now see, 5 5s are 25, positive it will become. Then 25 5s are 625. Sorry, 5 5s are 25, 25 5s are 125, 125 5s are 625. Now here 4 numbers are given here. In 4 numbers negative sign is given. It means even numbers it is getting here. It will become 625 divided by 8 is 64 multiply by 8. 512 multiply by 8 4096 is the answer. Now see D, E and F you have to solve. Now see question number 5. Convert into power notation. How you can convert into power notation? Now see 1 by 27. 1 by 27, how you can write 27 in power? So take out the LCM of 27. 3 9s are 27. 3 3s are 9. 1. How many times you got here? 3. 3 times. It means 1 by 3 to the power 3. And if you are taking power of 1, 3, it will become 1, 3 whole 3. Okay? It will remain the same. If you are taking the power of 3, 1, power of 1 if you are taking 3, it will remain the same, 1 only. If you are taking the power of 3, 3 means it will become 27. So, it will change into power. Now see B, minus 1 by 64. Now for 64, take out the LCM. Now see, how many pairs you got here? 1, 2, 3. See, if you are multiplying 2 into 2, 4, 2 into 2, 4, and again 2 into 2, 4. It means 4 into 4 into 4. Directly you can write here cube of 4 means minus 1 by 4 cube. Here also cube. It means what it will become? Minus 1 by 4 whole cube. Now see, minus 27 by 125. For 27 we have already find here means 3 cube. Okay. Minus it will become 125 means 5 2s are 10, remainder 2, 5 5s are 25, 1. It means 5 cube means minus 3 by 5 whole cube. See rest of the question you have to solve. See F we will solve 49 by 81 means how you can write 49? Take the LCM. 7 7s are 49, 1, 81. 3 1s are 3, remainder 3 2s are 6, remainder 2, 7, 3 9s are 27, 3 3s are 9, 1. Now see 2 pairs you got here, 3 into 3, so 9, 3 into 3, 3 3 into 3. So 3 3s are 9. 3 3s are 9. Means 9 into 9. It means 7 into 7. Means 7 square upon 9. How many times you go to your 9? 9 square. It means 7 by 9 whole square. Now see, G 1 by 1000. 1 by 1000. Now see, for taking the LCM of 1000, take by 2 directly. 2 5s are 10, 0 0, 25, 5, 5. Now see, here you are getting pair of 3. Pair of 3 is 2. 2 into 2 into 2. Pair of 5 is 5 into 5 into 5. Now multiply. 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8. 5 5s are 25, 25 5s are 125. So here you are getting another number. Here see, here you got both the numbers same, but here both the numbers are not same here. Now see, if you are dividing 1000 by directly by 10, means here you will get 100. Again you are dividing by 10, 10. Here again you are dividing by 10, 1. Now see, what is the number you got here? 1 2 3. Cube of 10, 1 by 10 cube. Means if you are taking the cube of 1, it will remain the same. See this number 1000. This you have to remember, because in this type of questions are very important. See, it will be 10 cube. This you have to remind it that 10 cube is equal to 1000. Okay, so your answer is 1 by 10 whole cube. Now see 8. 8 you can solve by yourself. I will solve 343. Now see, in this denominator is not given here, so take out the LCM of 343. Directly it will be divided by 7, because odd number is given here but it is not divisible by 3. So 7 4s are 28. Remainder 6, 7 9s are 63. See, what is the pair you got here? Cube of 7. Okay. Now 156. This is question number 5th. What is the pair you are getting here? 2 to the power 2, 3 to the power 1, 13 to the power 1. This is your answer, because here only 2 pairs you can find here. 2 into 2, but it is, you cannot find your pair of 3, you cannot find your pair of 13. See, in same way you can solve K and L also. The questions which I have left, that you have to solve. Okay. Next lecture we will start exercise 5B. Okay. Thank you.